So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and we have a huge release that has happened a few days back, which is now competing with Kimi K2.6 and DeepSeek V4 for the best open source model. And this is a new entry, that is Xiaomi Mimo V2.5 Pro. As you can see, the model is considered to be the best open source model and looking quite great on Agentic AI. The model size 1 trillion parameters, and it is available in 14.32, BF16, F8, etc. As you can see, the model is completely open source and available on Hugging Face 2. Here you can see that you can read the blog about the model. We'll be reading that too. Xiaomi Mimo API platform, and then I'll be telling you how you can use the model for free. Yes, you heard it right. It can be used for free too. It is an open source mixture of experts language model with 1.02 trillion parameters. That's humongous. And on the benchmarks, if you look at it, on general agent, it is just outperforming everything. Even Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and GPT 5.4 also. So can be taken as the best agentic AI model. And they have given a lot of information about the model that we are skipping so far. Here you can see that this is the Pro and Pro base version that you can test out, and the model can be taken as the best open source model for agentic AI and can be accessed for free. Given it has 1 trillion parameters, running it locally is just not possible. So how can you run the model for free? Let me show you that now. This is the actual release, Xiaomi Mimo V2.4 Pro, a leap in agentic and long horizon coherence. And you can see that the model has outperformed almost everything in agentic AI. Yes, you heard it right. Built to solve harder. Other metrics you can see out. Now I'm switching to the Xiaomi actual platform. As you can see here, Mimo V2.4 Pro is new and is available for free on the platform Xiaomi Mimo Studio. The link is present in Hugging Face. I've shared the link in the comment section below too. Let me try this prompt. Is art still art without an audience? Pretty good. As you can see, it's thinking and it has given us an output. Looks quite interesting, the case that it does. And this is very fast. This is I'm accessing on Xiaomi Mimo Studio. Yes, I have provided the link in the comment section below, and you can also access the best open source model now on this particular studio, which is completely free. Okay, what is 2 minus 3 plus 4? Yes, I'm trying out something like basic so that I can show you that you can access the model for free. So now I think we have a lot of competition in the open source arena as well. Be DeepSeek, be it Kimi, be it Xiaomi Mimo, which is a new entry in the top leaderboard contender. So the model looks great on the benchmarks, especially for agentic AI. It's humongous, so running it locally is just not possible. You can try out the model on Xiaomi Mimo Studio platform only. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.